Hi there! Everybody knows the Mercedes G-Class, G-Wagon or the Gelandewagen, and since electric vehicles are being more and more popular, electric G-Class is nothing strange. Anyway, here's my vision of the EQG, the electric G-Wagon with two stylistic versions. One with the front end similar to the other Mercedes electric vehicles, and second one with more classic styling. Which one do you think looks better? And here are some different colors and a comparison with the normal G-Class. That's all for today. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons, and also check my second channel, Cooking with Emet. Thanks for watching and see ya!